Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We've got some exciting news to share with you. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been making waves in the tech world, and it's not just because of its impressive specs. It seems like the device has been completely leaked again, and we've got all the juicy details. So, make sure you stick around until the end of this video because you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the release date. Now, Google has been known for its October launches in the past, but we're hearing some rumors that the Pixel 8 Pro might hit the market a bit earlier this year. As always, stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates on that. Now, let's get into the design. Leaked images and schematics have been circulating online, and it looks like Google is taking a slightly different approach with the Pixel 8 Pro. We can expect a sleeker, more refined design with improved materials. The bezels are rumored to be even thinner, giving the device a more modern and premium look. Moving on to the display, this is where things get really interesting. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to feature a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with ProMotion technology. That means smoother scrolling and better overall display quality. If you're into mobile gaming or content consumption, this is going to be a game changer. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, which is always a highlight of Google's Pixel lineup. The leaks suggest that we'll see some significant improvements here. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to have a new and improved camera system that will take low-light photography to the next level. Night mode enthusiasts, get ready to be amazed. Of course, we can't forget about the software. The Pixel 8 Pro will, without a doubt, ship with the latest version of Android, and Google's software optimizations are expected to make the device even smoother and more responsive. Finally, before we wrap things up, let's discuss the leaks themselves. As exciting as they are, it's important to remember that they're still leaks, and things can change. We always recommend taking these early details with a grain of salt until we get official confirmation from Google. So, there you have it, folks. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been completely leaked again, and it's shaping up to be an incredible device. We'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay in the loop with all things tech, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And as always, let us know your thoughts on the Pixel 8 Pro in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.